Morgan. Now his first two tricks are going to do with ESP, extrasensory perception. So that kind of falls into two categories. So the second trick is going to do with telepathy and thought reading. But the first trick is going to do with clairvoyance. So he's going to try to take an impression from an object and then make a prediction. So he's going to use this deck of cards to try to get your vibrations from it.
Okay.
Got it? Okay. Now he'll write his prediction on the slate. Show.
So,
okay, so he's going to take this deck of cards. No, just hold them down. Who do you want to start with?
oh, I mean,
Okay.
sure.
So it's important you don't look at any of the cards, and the faces of them,
Okay.
anybody, and influence the clairvoyance. So take the deck,
I was just making sure there's no
And-
jokers.
cut it in half. About. Now, are you left or right-handed?
I'm right-handed.
So hand the pack in your right hand to the next person. You don't need these. So you cut it in about half, and the part in your right hand to the next person.
Okay.
Cut it in half. And the part in your right hand, pass on.
But he's left-handed.
Well, it doesn't matter. We started
Okay,
with the right-handed
okay.
person.
You
So
didn't leave me a lot of cards here.
Well, I was happy.
well, we want to get down to one. So, Father. And then, okay, so that's the last card, the one in his right hand. So, okay, so this one, just going to slip it back into the jar. All right. And now, you reveal your prediction.
Four of diamonds.
Four of diamonds.
Now let's see what card they all left behind for you.
You're not supposed to look in.
Get out! No way!
Very good.
Wow, yes!
Do that.
That's fantastic.
Very good.
Woo.
All right.
I always relieved when they work.
Yes.
Now you're going to do your telepathy one. So we'll move these things aside.
Is this the thinking hat one?
This,
I love this one.
Yes.
It is pretty fun.
okay. So, there.
Oh, another deck of cards. Wow.
Not green.
Alright. I was gonna say something, but never mind. Alright. So, take this deck.
Yes.
So, tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Take that card.
This card.
Mm-hmm. Now, put it in your pocket. I was gonna say you're the only one that has the right.
You're in the pocket, so
You got a pocket
that's why you
shirt.
got chosen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You come up here.
You get to sit in the chair.
Do I need to take my glasses out of my pocket?
No. No.
Okay.
So this is the telepathy part of the show. So you need to picture in your mind that card. and you're going to try to project it.
To the audience, and they're
The
gonna try to read your mind. I'm not.
So everybody concentrate.
We have to try to figure
You're
out
gonna
what's
try to
in.
read his mind
Oh.
as to what the card is. What do you think of the card? Okay.
Are you guys getting anything?
Anybody getting it?
No.
Okay. Well, you're going to have to try the thinking cap then, Morgan.
Ace and base.
Are you filming him?
No.
He has a magic thinking cap that helps channel the thoughts.
You gonna put it in the can?
I'm thinking really hard here.
Okay, now picture the card and project it out. Is anybody getting anything?
Yeah. I think I am.
Okay, Morgan.
On the count of three, say what you think his card is. 1, 2, 3.
Queen of diamonds.
Wow!
So what card is in your pocket?
It's a queen of diamonds.
All right, thank you for your help.
Go back to your seat. All right.
That's
Oh my
fantastic.
That's great.
All right. I've got my invisible deck.
Oh dear.
Catch. So shuffle the deck.
It's an invisible deck of cards.
Yes.
So you might want to take them out of the case.
Take them out of the case first. Before you shuffle.
Yeah, it'd be hard to throw them out of the case.
Yes. I took everything, yeah.
Okay. You got them shuffled.
Okay, so now fan out the cards so the faces are towards you,
So spread them out.
but don't pick a king. Those are too easy. But take out any card except for a king. Those are too easy. And take one out and turn it around to face the other way. And
So you're picking a specific card.
Yes.
a specific card. Now remember it. Close the deck back up. Now put it back in the case. Now just give it a little lob back to me. Throw it
Okay.
back.
Got it.
This is gonna be helpful. Going all over the place.
Ask you his card.
What was your card?
I say five diamonds. I know five. There is five
Five
diamonds.
of diamonds.
5 of diamonds. So,
I help at this part because I have bigger
Yeah.
hands. We don't need the jokers.
or that's silly card.
Yeah.
So,
Would you come and get the card that's different?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, take it out and show everybody what it is.
Oh my goodness.
No!
Wow!
Wow.
How did you do that?
Magic.
Satan,
All right.
Father, it's Satan.
What are you going to do? You going to do Joe?
yeah.
Okay. So we gotta
All
do-
right.
Oh dear.
Joe, come on forward. Come on down.
This is your life.
All right, what do I do?
Or in that
You
from
can have a seat.
So this is a prediction trick.
All
And
right.
This is a prediction card over here. I'm just gonna.
Okay, now set it out here where people can see it. Okay, it's right here is fine.
So this is called mixed fruit. I'm just gonna.
That was my nickname in high school.
Here, just put it here. Let's set it out here.
One has an apple One has a pear and one has a banana.
What?
Banana.
Banana? Okay.
Banana. And so just mix them up.
Am I supposed to remember where they are?
No.
Good, because I've already lost it. Okay.
All right. So just point to a card. Okay. So this one will go in the bag. Now point to another card. Do you want me to have it or do you want to have it?
You can have that one.
All right. So you take this one.
Okay.
Just hold it. But are you sure you want that? Because we can trade.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it.
All right. You're gonna read the prediction, and
Read it out loud.
I will have the apple. Come on.
read the rest.
You will have the banana. In the bag will be the pear. Unbelievable. Gee whiz.
All right.
I told you he's the premier conjurer in costume.
What?
How do you do that?
Don't
Will
know.
you tell me?
All right.
How'd you do it?
I won't say.
Have I done that?
Thank
Okay.
you.
This one. Right?
Yep.
That's amazing.
So.
Ooh, yuck.
It's the Colombian flag.
Yeah, yuck.
Okay.
So the bag's empty.
Yes.
Tell Father what you want him to. Oh, you're gonna open the zipper and show him it's empty.
Okay.
I know,
All right.
they're a big sleeve. So just put it back in, and go that there's nothing else in there. So we started off with 10 years ago.
10 years ago,
10
you
years
were
ago.
a Colombian citizen, and that was your flag. But now,
This. Reach in.
Oh my
Now.
goodness.
Oh,
This
very
is your
good.
Wow, that's really great.
I need two, the other one too, because I had two nationalities.
That's right. Very good.
That's really good.
Very good.
Well done.
Where did you find that flag?
Amazon.
Amazon, of course.
Abracadabra.
Very good. How did you do that?
It's back.
okay, good.
Is that it?
That's it.
Hooray! That was wonderful.
Wait, actually, what if we did the
You want to do the sleigh?
dash prediction?
No, if you're going to do another one, do the sleigh.
Okay.
I was gonna say the rope trick.
No.
We aren't prepared for that one.
Dang it.
All right.
It's in the library.
Encore.
Oh yeah, bring the present.
I'll go get it.
He can use this virtue. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
He can use this virtue for teaching religious classes or something like that.
Yeah.
You can do Patty for this one because she
Oh,
hasn't
yeah,
got to do
Patty
one
hasn't
yet.
done
Yeah, you haven't done anything yet.
All right.
Slacker.
Will you hold this?
I will. So we have a magic slate.
I'm going to make a prediction.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. No.
Is that magic chalk?
No.
Oh.
Regular check.
Josh Paulette had the other day.
Okay.
So
Probably isn't.
have her come forward.
Okay, what do I have to do?
Tell her what she needs to do.
So just point to a card. Just
Yeah.
point to one of the
Point
cards.
to
Six
a card.
No, not that one.
This one right here.
Okay. So you had the choice in between all 6,
Uh-huh.
and you chose this one.
Uh-huh.
Now, right now,
He's going to show you his prediction, which was the 10 of diamonds.
and you did the magic.
Oh my gosh, look.
You did the magic.
You did the
I
magic.
did it.
I just made a prediction
What
for
you
you
would
to
do.
and you
Very
did it correctly.
good.
I'm surprised.
So I'm going to open my present.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, absolutely.
Thank you.
Now, college doesn't work out, Morgan. You've got something to fall back on.
Don't go to college. Don't go to college.
Cruise ship.
Yeah, really.
It's so beautiful.
Ah, look at that.
Oh, nice.
It is nice, very nice.
Both of them.
Yeah.
Or your dual citizen.
So Amazon too? It's incredible. Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's nice.
You're welcome.
Okay.